Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. The first cue card question is, describe a situation when you could not use mobile phones. During my meeting, I was unable to attend an important call. Moreover, I received a message to my phone. As soon as I saw the message, I was shocked because one of my relatives met with an accident. It is the sad moment in my life. This is the way you have to explain each question in a brief way. The second cue card question is, describe a person who has apologized to you. Before 5 years, I went to attend training program in Bangalore. On 5th day, I got my turn to teach them English. But before my presentation, one of our staff presented a content in a funny way, which made everyone to laugh. I was next to her laughing loudly. It was seen by our lady boss who misunderstood the humorous smile on my face. This is how people they misunderstand without any facts. Followed by this, let me just give you what happened next. Okay, are you very curious to know? She yelled at me without any reason, but I didn't react at the point of time. The next day, she called me purposely and apologized for her wrong judgment opinion about me. So I felt very happy about that situation because I didn't react at the previous day. That is the main course. So you need to explain everything in a detailed way so that others can understand the incident, with facts. Okay. And the third question is waiting for you. This is the most important question for you. Describe a situation when you helped someone. I could remember a very beautiful incident. This incident happened before 1 year when I was walking on the road in a hurry to meet the principal of the school. I saw an old man who was crawling on the road and asking water to the people around him in a thirst. But none of them came forward to give a bottle of water. He was in a pathetic condition. I was unable to see, he was crawling like a baby, and he was, actually he's a beggar. So that's the reason he was in that condition. So I felt very hard to leave him like that. So I thought to help him by buying a bottle of water. So though I was in hurry, I stopped few seconds and purchased a bottle of water to help him. It is the worthful moment in my life. You might have seen many people like this in your life. So try to create some incidents on your own and explain the things briefly. So you will get very good band and you will pass in that. So thank you for watching. I'll come with many interesting videos in forthcoming days. Subscribe.